My name is Pavel. I am an IT professional and I'm starting this series of video IT from scratch for the boring IT course from Introduction to Information Technology. In this video, we are going to cover the basics of information technology. So we'll get acquainted with the definition of information technology, mention the main components of IT, and talk about how they work together in one place. Also, we'll raise a question of the information technology importance in everyday life. By the way, since there are different fields of information technology usage, we'll discuss it as well here. We'll end up with the career section, which is, I guess, why the most of us are here, and then make a conclusion. In this lesson, we'll cover the following topics. We will get to know each other, introduction to the IT, we'll answer the question what the information technology is, we'll highlight the importance of IT, we discuss different fields in IT, careers in IT, and we'll make the conclusion in the end. Moving on to our main topic for today, let's delve into understanding what the information technology or the IT really is. Information technology is a broad term that encompasses all forms of technology used to create, store, exchange, and use information in its various forms. It's a convenient term that we use when we talk about the digital world and all its components. Now let's break down to the main components of IT. Firstly, let's talk about the hardware. This is a physical aspect of computers and other devices. It includes everything from the computer chip itself to the cables used to connect devices. Next, we have software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. It's what allows us to interact with our computers and devices. Software can be anything from the operating system on your computer to the apps on your phone. The third component is networks. Networks are what allow computers and other devices to communicate with each other. These can be on a small scale, like a home network, or on a large scale, like the internet. Lastly, we have data. Data is the information that is processed or stored by computers. It can be anything from a computer, from a document you save on your computer, to the data collected by a fitness tracker. These components work um, all together. They don't work in isolation. They work together to form an integrated system. For example, when you use a fitness on your phone, the fitness application on your phone, the hardware runs the software. The hardware or your phone runs the software, the application, which uses the network. It can be the internet to send data to a server. So, in a nutshell, the information technology is all about how we use and manage information using computers and networks. It's a vast and fascinating field, and we are just scratching the surface today. In our upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into each of these components and explore how they shape our digital world. Now that we've defined the information technology and its main components, let's talk about why it's so important. The information technology plays a crucial role in our everyday lives, often in ways we might not even realize. Let's take a look at a few key areas. Firstly, communication. IT has revolutionized the way we communicate. With the advent of email, social media, video conferencing, and instant messaging, we can now connect with anyone, anywhere in the world in real time. Secondly, education. IT has transformed the way we learn with online courses, educational apps, and virtual classrooms. Learning is no longer confined to the four walls of a classroom. It's now possible to learn anything from anywhere at any time. Next, business. IT is at the heart of modern businesses. It helps businesses operate more efficiently, make informed decisions with data analysis, reach a global audience through e-commerce, and much more. And let's not forget about the entertainment. From streaming movies and music to playing online games, IT has completely reshaped the entertainment industry. But the importance of IT goes beyond just making our lives more convenient. IT is a powerful tool for improving efficiency and productivity. For example, automation software can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more important work. Data analysis tools can help businesses understand their customers better and make smarter decisions. Moreover, IT plays a crucial role in innovation and problem solving, from developing new technologies to finding solutions to complex problems. IT is at the forefront of driving progress in our society. In conclusion, information technology is not just about computers and networks, it's about how we use these tools to communicate, learn, work, and solve problems. It's about how we use information to make our lives better, and that's why IT is so important. Now that we've discussed what the information technology is and why it's so important, let's take a brief look at the various fields within the IT. Firstly, we have software development. This is all about creating the applications and systems that we use every day, from the operating systems on your computer to the apps on your phone. Software developers are the ones who make these tools a reality. Next, we have network administration. Network administrators are responsible for setting up and maintaining the networks that allow our devices to communicate with each other. They ensure that our emails get sent, our web pages load, and our data gets stored securely. And speaking about security, that brings us to cybersecurity actually. As more and more of our lives move online, keeping our data safe becomes increasingly important. Cybersecurity professionals work to protect our data from hackers and other threats. Then we have data analysis. Data analysts use specialized tools to make sense of the vast amounts of data that our computers and networks generate. They help businesses make informed decisions and uncover insights that can drive innovation. These are just a few examples of the many fields within IT. Each of these fields is a world unto itself, with its own set of skills, tools, and best practices. And each of these fields play a crucial role in making IT the powerful tool that it is. In our upcoming videos, we'll be diving deeper into each of these fields. We'll explore what they involve, what skills they require, and how you can get started in them. So, in any of these fields, pick your interest. Be sure to stay tuned for future videos. Having explored the different fields within information technology, let's now turn our attention to the career opportunities that IT offers. The world of IT is vast and varied, offering a multitude of career paths. Whether you're interested in creating software, managing networks, securing data, or analyzing information, there is a job in IT that's right for you. Let's start with software development. Software developers, also known as programmers, are the creative minds behind the applications and systems we use every day. They write tests and maintain code that makes these tools work. Network administrators, on the other hand, are the backbone of any organization's IT infrastructure. They ensure that the network is running smoothly, troubleshoot any issues that arise, and implement security measures to protect the network and the data it carries. Cybersecurity professionals play a crucial role in protecting our digital world. They work to prevent and respond to cyber threats, ensuring that our data and systems are safe from hackers. Data analysts use their skills in statistics, programming, and make sense of large datasets. They help organizations make data-driven decisions, uncovering insights that can drive innovation and growth. These are just a few examples of the many career opportunities in IT. Each of these roles require a unique set of skills, from programming and problem solving to communication and project management. But what all IT jobs have in common is the potential for growth and advancement. The field of IT is constantly evolving with new technologies and techniques emerging all the time. This means that there is always something new to learn and always new opportunities to advance your career. So whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to make a change, consider a career in IT. It's a field that offers not just a job security and competitive salaries, but also the opportunity to make the real impact on the world. As we wrap up today's video, let's quickly recap what we've just covered. We started by defining the information technology, breaking it down into its main components: hardware, software, networks, and data. We then discussed the importance of IT in our everyday lives, from communication and education to business and entertainment. We also highlighted how it improves efficiency, drives innovation, and solves complex, complex problems. We then took a brief look at the various fields within IT, including software development, network administration, cybersecurity, and data analysis. We also discussed the multitude of career opportunities that IT offers, along with the skills needed for these jobs and the potential for growth and advancement in IT careers. The key takeaway from today's video is this: information technology is not just about computers and networks. It's about how we use these tools to make our lives better. It's a vast and fascinating field with endless opportunities for learning and growth. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel. In our upcoming videos, we'll be diving deeper into each aspect of IT, exploring each field in more detail, and providing practical advice on how to start and advance your career in IT. So stay tuned for the next videos, and thank you for watching.